The Wall Street legend Paul Tudor Jones said in the book Stock Market Wizards, "The secret to making money is playing defense. You must protect your capital and resist the urge to make wild bets that have a low probability of success." As the investing legend Warren Buffett says, "Never lose money." Why is this critical? In today's market, many investors concentrate on high-risk, high-return investments without recognizing the significance of safeguarding their capital. They are unaware of the level of risk they are taking when they engage in speculative investments. They don't understand finance and investing, and yet they put their money on the line. A common misconception is that being cautious with your money implies weakness or lack of ambition. Many people believe that taking risks is necessary to generate wealth. However, being cautious with your money doesn't mean you can't build your wealth. It means you're taking a prudent and calculated approach to your investing decisions. Investors who understand and follow the proven rules of building wealth have a much higher chance of getting rich than those who take gambles with their hard-earned money. Here are a few ways that playing defense with your money can help to achieve financial success. Avoid risking everything. While it may seem that putting all your money on the line is necessary to succeed, the potential consequences outweigh any possible gains. Avoid the thought of, "I may get rich," or "I may lose everything." Instead, be cautious and minimize your risk. Diversify your investments. Don't just diversify your stock portfolio, but also have multiple ways to build wealth, such as investing in real estate, building a business, investing in your skills, and creating products. Embrace simplicity. View investing and money as a spiritual and emotional journey. Greed can force you to take offensive positions, so adopt a philosophy of simple living, such as stoicism or mindfulness, to help neutralize your desire for more. Be skeptical. Be wary of financial success stories that seem too good to be true. Skepticism is crucial since nothing comes for free. Even people who make easy money in markets have an edge. Keep this mental model in mind to stay grounded and avoid gullibility. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.